Alright y'all, this time around we've got a challenge lock and it's level 8 by Mr. Bearsback. Now I've got to tell you, I have done this lock, I don't know, 2 or 3 times, and it seems like each time, well, every time it's a pain in the butt, but it's really gnarly in there. I know I've said that before in other challenge locks, but I don't know how else to explain it. It's gnarly, crunchy and funky and any hoodles. So yeah, level 8 by Mr. Bearsback. It's already tied down here pretty good. Go some top of the keyway up here. And what I end up getting sometimes, at least some of the times, is a really deep false set, and it's kind of hard to get out of, and it's a real pain in the butt, man. Alright, so let's see if we can get it started here. Going all the way in. Using top of the keyway, by the way, and the Peterson gem. Camera good? Yeah, we're good. Alright. If we can get the false set started, usually I can get out of that, but sometimes it's getting to the false set at all. There's really nothing wants to sit in this beast of burden. Half the time you can't even get the pins to move. Like that. Okay, it turned a little bit, but okay, a little bit more. I don't know, maybe this will be my lucky day. I doubt it. Let me try this first one a little more. It seems to want to play. Okay, really deep false set. Okay, deeper, deeper. Trying to see what wants to play here. Let's see. I don't know if it's one of these front ones. Well, maybe. Oh. I gotta tell you, out of probably the 3 times I picked this, that was absolutely definitely the fastest one. So it's definitely open. I am gonna take it because otherwise it might be a 20-minute long pick next time. Alright, so let's get backed out. Let's see what we got in this beast of burden by Mr. Bearsback, called level 8. I want to give a shout out real quick to who is it, Washington State Picker. I hope I got that right. He's been messing around with 3D printers, and he's been making me something, and I'll tell you what, he's been going through hell trying to get it sorted out, and I just appreciate it. So just want to give him a shout out. So yeah, we're very much open. We do have a key. I didn't even show the key, did I? Jeez, all back asswards today. There's the key, by the way. Lock does work. It's got a little tick to it, but probably maybe a T-pin or something funky. Uh-oh. Okay, let's get it out of there. Let's get that. Ooh. Okay. Let's try this guy. We probably push it right out. Sometimes if you can grab the side of this, the rim cylinder part, and then grab that clip just right, little finesse, sometimes you can just push that sucker right out. Sometimes not. Just like that. There we go. Get used to it after a while. Okay. Bada boom. Bada bing, baby. Oh, there's also a little washer on there. That's why it looked like it had 2 rings, I guess. Alright. Pinning tray. Oh, sorry about that. Excuse me. Alright, it wants to turn. Well, it really doesn't want to turn anyway now. There we go. Okay, this thing's... Alright. Boy, tell you what. Okay. Oh boy. I can only imagine a lock full of T-pins or something in there if this thing won't go in there. I can't even make it swing around hardly. Okay, might have it. Oh boy. Okay. Let's see. Pins are over there. And we've got the humble 5-pinner. I can already see some work going on there. Nothing on 1. Standard. Some serrations on the top of 2. Same with number 3. Whoa, 3's like a long puppy. 4. And the humble number 5. Let me get some specs on and see what we got in the core, if anything at all. On the core, all standard. Good job, Bearsback. Nothing done to the core. I like that. Woof. Close one. Alright. Going up top. Okay, yeah, we've got a T-pin with a, see, that's why I don't like people using hollow followers. Here's another reminder. We've got a 2-piece pin in here. I'm going to put it down how it came out. Just like that. That's why I have a pet peeve about hollow followers. Stuff comes popping out. Person doesn't know what the heck happened there or how it went together. These solid followers, especially, I like using it with the slot like this. So as you can see, let me go get number 2. I used the tweezer and let it spring up with the tweezer, and then the pin actually rests. So I mean, it really can't even fall over, and you don't lose any of it, because there's another one right here, another 2-piece pin. See, had that been a hollow follower, this stuff would have just shot out. Somebody would have probably put it back together upside down or something. So yeah, I've always had a pet peeve with hollow followers. Don't like them. They're pretty much useless. Alright, number 3 looks like a standard. And 4 is that a 2-piece? Nope, I don't think so. I'll double check it in a minute. Don't be shy. There we go. And last but not least, number 5, nice and easy. And number 5 is, wow, that's 1 piece, but that's a seriously deep spool with a sharp top on it. Wow, wow. Okay, make sure there's no wafers in there. And let me check up top. We've got nothing up top either. Well done, Bearsback. You didn't butcher it all up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, again, this was level 8 by Bearsback. And I have been in touch with Bearsback, by the way. The man is busy, like most of us get, with many things. So he didn't go anywhere. If anybody's wondering, he's just life on life's terms at the moment. So he is good, though, if anybody's wondering. So everything's kosher. Key pins. Number 1's a standard. 2, we got some serrations on the top. 3 is a spooled key pin. 4, serration on the top. Same with 5. And then drivers, we had these in 1 and 2, both pretty much the same. They're going to act as a T-pin. Just like that. So it's a T-pin, I guess, with a floating sleeve, I guess is the best way I can describe that. That pin, that's probably why, like I said, I picked it like 3 times, and each time was kind of a different beast. Because when you're picking on these, as they move around, they feel different each time you pick it. To me, they do, anyways. So they give a different feel, like I said. Now this one's serrated sleeve, and this one's got a multi-serrated. This one's got a single serration in it. So again, they're just going to act different. That's all it is, and that's kind of what you want. So somebody might pick the lock like I did, and then go to pick it on camera, and it's like they're picking another lock. So anyways, very nice. 3 standard, 4 this multi-serrated. Now I think that's a single. Yes, it is. And then this is that one I was talking about, this spool with a seriously sharp end on it. There's hardly anything there, but that sucker, it did really good. It worked like a charm. All right, thank you, Bearsback, for pinning this level 8 up and getting it out into the community. Appreciate y'all watching. If you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up. And what was I going to mention? Oh yeah, I've been trying this, what is it? Abus 8840, Abus Plus 8840. It's a disc detainer type lock. I didn't get it with a key. I forget who sent it offhand now. I apologize. But I have picked this before. But I've been trying to get it on camera since then, and I haven't been able to do it. So apparently I just had a lucky day. But also I'm using this super cheap Chinesium POS. I did do the tip as good as I possibly could, but it really doesn't. It's awful. I really need a good disc detainer pick set, but I don't want to pay like $500 for one either. I don't need one that bad. All right, anyways, thank you all again so much for watching. Like I said, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't. And I hope to see y'all for Stock Lock Sunday. Big Al signing off.